Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to show you how to give camera access to Chrome application in your Mac. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before going ahead, let me tell you one thing that it doesn't matter if you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or Mac Mini. The steps are going to be same for all these devices. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Google Chrome application in your Mac, which you can find in dock, or else you can press Command plus Spacebar to activate Spotlight search and you can search for Chrome over here. You can open Chrome application. Once you open Chrome, all you have to do is just simply go and select this three dot option at the right hand side top corner. And once you select that, go down and select Settings. Now, once you're on Settings page, on the left hand side, you get multiple options. You have to select Privacy and Security. Once you select that, go to the right hand side and select Site Settings over here at the bottom. Now, once you select Site Settings, and if you go down, there is a category of permissions over here in which you get location, camera, microphone, notification and other things. So if you want to give location access to Chrome, you can select that location option and you can set it to sites can ask for your location. Now, if a particular site needs location permission, it will ask for your permission. So that's for location. But if you want to give camera access, then simply select camera over here and select the same option, which is sites can ask to use your camera. Now, for example, if you're doing meetings on Chrome, then in that case, it might ask for camera access. So make sure you have selected a proper, settings. Once you do that, another setting is just simply go to System Settings in your Mac and again go down and select Privacy and Security. Now in that, if you go down over here, you get an option of camera. Now if I select camera, you can see there is an option of Google Chrome. Now make sure that this toggle is on, because if this toggle is off, now you can see it is asking me that Google Chrome will have access to your camera until it is quit. So you just have to restart the application. After that, there won't be any access for camera for that particular app. But if you want to keep it, then make sure to turn on this toggle and you can simply reopen the application in order to basically apply the settings. Now the same thing goes for other application. If you want to give camera access to Brave browser or any other application which you are using in your Mac, then make sure to turn on this toggle over here. After that, you have basically given the permission to use the camera. So if you're doing video call or anything, the camera will be accessed. So yeah, that's how simple it is to give camera access to Chrome in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.